Hello everyone, welcome to part 30 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we'll continue working on the shipping cost module, and we are going to apply the shipping charges at the checkout page in this part. So let's start. In the last few parts we able to see that we able to add the shipping charges at the admin panel. I'm going to open the admin here once to see the shipping charges that we have added for every country, shipping charges module that we have added in admin panel. Okay, so you can see here the shipping charges, shipping management, and under that there is the tab shipping, and here is the shipping for all the countries. Okay, so you can add the shipping of your own choice. Okay, for all the countries, and the same we are going to apply at the front end. Okay, so this is without weight, this is just the country based shipping charges. Okay, so every country is having its own shipping charges. So now I'm going to open the front end, and we are going to apply the shipping charges according to the country. Okay, whichever country is the delivery country. Okay, not the billing, but the delivery country where we are going to deliver the shipment. So I'm going to log in with one of the account. So one product is already there. I will go to the checkout page. So right now you can see the shipping charges is 0. Okay, though the country is India. Okay, you can see the India country is selected, and here I'm going to check for the India shipping charges, that how much it is. It is 50. Okay, so the India shipping charge is 50, but the same is not reflecting at the front end because we have not done anything to add the shipping charges here. So that we are going to work on right now. Okay, so please follow the step that you can find under video. So the first step is to create the get shipping charges function. Okay, so that we can pass the country here in this function to get the shipping charges of that particular country. So this one we are going to add this function in the shipping charge model. So I'm going to open the Sublime here, and will open my project. You can you can use any editor. Okay, so I'm going to open the shipping charge model. Here you can see, so I'm going to add this function, and that function will help us to get the shipping charge of particular country. Okay, particular delivery country. Okay, where the customer wants the delivery. Okay, so see here we are sending the country, and from the country we will fetch the rate. So after this you can see that we are going to call this function in checkout function. Okay, so I'm going to open the product controller at the front, and will open the checkout function, and here we are going to call that function before okay. So yeah, actually I will close this post. Here we are going to call that function so that we can get the shipping charges and can display in checkout page. Okay, so this function we are going to call, and here you can see that we able to call the function here, get shipping charges. Okay, so after get all countries, get shipping charges from default. Okay, so the complete, I'm going to copy this complete code, get shipping charges from default delivery address. Okay, so I'm going to add it here. I'm going to align this as well. So here you can see that we are getting the shipping charges from the default delivery address. Okay, so whichever is the default address of the default delivery address of the customer, we are going to get this get the delivery country from that, and based on that country we are going to get the shipping charges of that country. Okay, so otherwise the shipping charge is 0 if we not able to if there is no address added by the user. Okay, and we have not got any delivery country for the user, then we will assign the 0 value to the shipping charges. Okay, so these shipping charges we are going to return to the checkout. Okay, so this one we are going to add it here, and here you can see that we are turning that. And now we are going to modify the checkout blade file, and here I'm going to check for that shipping charges. Here it is. So here we are going to display the shipping charge variable that we are returning from the function. Okay, and the same value we are going to add here. Okay, so here we are going to add the shipping charges in grand total. Okay, like this. Okay, we are going to add this one in the shipping charges as well. Now we are going to check here. We are going to check, and here we are going to add the shipping charge class at the top. Okay, so now we are going to see the shipping charges is added. You can see the rupees 50 shipping charges have been added, and the subtotal is 1530 plus 50, and the grand total is now 1580. So finally we are able to add the shipping charges based on the country. Like if I will select any other country that does not have any shipping charges, like I am going to select here some country, some other country, like I'm going to select here Argentina. Suppose Argentina is having 0. Okay, so the same country I'm going to select Argentina. Okay, or I can select any other country. Okay, no issue, I'm just going to select the Argentina here, click on save. Okay, and now see Argentina is saved, but here I need to refresh it once to see that there must be no shipping charges added. Yes, no shipping charges added for the Argentina. You can see the shipping charge is 0 for Argentina, and the grand total is same as subtotal, that is 1530. Okay, so here see, every time if we will add address, if we will edit address, we are going to refresh this page so that we can able to get the correct shipping charges, so that the user can able to see the correct shipping charges every time. Okay, so in our next step you can able to see that we need to add this in these jQuery functions, like address, add, edit form. So I'm going to open the custom.js located at the front, and we'll modify a few of the functions like this one. Here you can see the add a delivery address. Here we are going to uncomment this one. I think align it as well. And okay, so another function, that is the edit address. Here also we are going to add this, and after that remove address. Here also we are going to uncomment this one, and after this set default address. Okay, so now you can see, like once again what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the India now. Like if I'm going to select the India shipping, like this one I'm going to select. Okay, and still yeah, it is refreshing fine. So after selecting this one, you can see the 50 rupees have been added, and now the grand total is 1580 including the shipping charges, that is 50. Okay, so you can do these steps at your end, and after that we are going to add this one in the place order as well. Okay, so right now we have added just to show in checkout page, but now while placing the order it must get added as well. Okay, so we are going to update the checkout function once again, and so here we are going to modify the checkout function. post method of the checkout function exactly. Okay, this one here we are going to modify. Here you can see the shipping charges before placing the order. Here shipping charge is 0 right now, but now the shipping charge is not 0. We are going to calculate the shipping charges, that is based on the country. We will send the delivery address, delivery country, and we will fetch the shipping charges, and that shipping charges we are going to add in grand total. Okay, here we are adding the shipping charges. Okay, so that will means correct shipping charges will get added. Okay, so now we are going to place this order, and we'll see in admin panel if the 50 rupee shipping charges have been added or not. I am going to select the cash on delivery, agree to terms and condition, click on place order. Let's see if the shipping charges have been added to this order or not. Okay, so yes, now it has come, and now I'm going to check 1580 amount is correct here. It is including the shipping charges amount as well. I'm going to check in the orders as well that if the shipping charges is there or not. Okay, so I'm going to select check this one, and here you can see the shipping charges have been added. Order total is 1580 and shipping charges that is INR 50. So the shipping charges is added to the total. Okay, so we able to add the shipping charges to the order like this. Okay, so you can try this at your end. And for weight by shipping charges, please follow these two videos. That is for the weight by shipping charges. Okay, that we have done in Laravel 10 in detail. Though in Laravel 9 in detail we have done these. Okay, so you can follow to add the weight wise product weight wise shipping charges. Okay, so I have added these two videos, the links of these two videos under video, under this video, under the description section of this video. Okay, you can find. Okay, these two links are given under the video and at the description box. Okay, you can get the links from there and can open, and you can follow these two links where I have clearly explained the that how to add the shipping product weight by shipping charges. Or you can simply go to my channel. Here I will tell you, youtube.com stack developers. Simply open this channel, and after that follow the Laravel 9 series. Okay, and multi-vendor series. Here you can click on playlist, though I will provide you the correct links in the description box as well. Okay, and you can follow like this, like click on playlist and go to the multi-vendor e-commerce playlist. Here you can see these are the multi-vendor e-commerce playlist. You can open this one like Laravel multi-vendor tutorial. Open this playlist, and here you can see all the videos are given. On the right side you can see that starting from the part 0, all these videos are given, and here you can simply scroll down and you will able to see the shipping related videos. Okay, shipping charges related videos. Okay, if you will scroll down you can able to see those videos around part 150. I'm going to show you. here you can see like you can see part 162, part 163, and these are related to the simple shipping charges. And then you will go to the part 164 and apply shipping charges at the checkout page, and then part 165, then that is the advanced shipping charges. Okay, so please follow the part 165 and part 166. Okay, yes, these two videos, part 165 and part 166 of multi-vendor e-commerce series. I'm going to click this one. And here you can see you can skip the ad and can see this video, Laravel multi-vendor e-commerce part 165. Then that is the advanced shipping charges, product weight wise shipping charges. Okay, so you can follow this video. Okay, okay, so this is the video that is that you are required to follow, and I'm going to add this link here. Will give you the correct link here. Okay, so this is the link that you can follow, and even the next link, that is the part 166, I will also share that link as well. You can follow these two links for advanced shipping charges module with product weight by shipping, and can do all the required changes in this Laravel 11 series. Okay, so here you can see the part 166, that is the advanced shipping charges, part second of the advanced shipping charges, and 176 of the Laravel multi-vendor e-commerce series. Okay, and this I will copy as well and will share you here. Okay, so these two links that you can follow, I will share all these instructions under video. Okay, so stay tuned for next part, in which we will do something else. Okay, and we'll try to close this series in just few videos. Okay, so please follow the next one. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.